Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on the application Amazon Shopping, where we will be learning how we can add items to our wish list. For this, what we can do is open your application on your mobile phone, or you can just go to the browser on your desktop and open it. And let me tell you, the procedure is the same for all of it: iOS, Android, Windows, etc. So once we open it, it is extremely simple to do it. First things, I don't know if you have a wish list or not already. So you can, in the lower bar, you can see an icon of a person. Go there and you come with four options: your orders, buy again, your account, and your wish list. Go to your wish list. Okay, it seems like you have a couple of wish lists already. So let's forget about this and go back to home and select for an item that you wish to have. So let's select this retro vintage glasses. Okay, so I wish to have these glasses in this color. So that is what I want to have, but I don't have the money right now, so I can just add it to my wish list for now. So once I go back, instead of adding it to cart or buy now, once I scroll down here, I get this option of add to wish list. Just above sell on Amazon, add to wish list. Tap in there. And now I can choose on if I want to keep this item on some of my wish list already, want to buy ASAP shopping list, or I want to create a new one for this pair of glasses. Anything is possible. So if I want to create a new one, I can just type in some random numbers and create a new one. Or I can also just add it on my previous wish list that is already there. And that is how you add to wish list on Amazon Shopping. So if this video was helpful in any ways, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.